Working on your favorite Samsung phone. You probably don't even realize it, but you run across trademarks all the time in your everyday life. Hi, I am Bharti Sharma. I am a trademark attorney, and today I'll cover a very simple and basic topic as to what a trademark is and why it is necessary to have one. So, primarily, a trademark could be any word, just like Coca Cola, Nokia, or Google. It could be a tagline like Nike's "Just Do It" or McDonald's "I am loving it." It could be a symbol like Apple's iconic bitten apple shape, or the Nike's swoosh symbol, or even McDonald's those famous golden arcs. In fact, shapes and colors can also be used as trademarks, like the Coca-Cola's very distinctive and unique contour shape of the bottle, and even shapes of buildings and architectures have been granted protection, such as Taj Mahal Palace in India. And for the color marks, how can you even forget that Christian Louboutin's famous red sole shoes? So, traditionally in India, the Trademarks Act 1999 defines a trademark as a mark which is capable of being represented graphically and capable of distinguishing the goods or services of one person from that of another. However, with the businesses coming up with innovative ways to distinguish their products and services, the realm of trademark is also evolving to include some non-traditional marks like sound marks. Some of the prominent sound marks registered in India include the Yahoo's Yodel sound, or the Netflix registered Tadam sound, or even Nokia's guitar notes while turning on the Nokia devices. So, another form of non-traditional trademarks include smell marks. However, in the context of India, smell marks remain largely unexplored, as the trademark module in India does not provide an appropriate mechanism for the examination of smell marks. But it will be interesting to see the evolution of jurisprudence with regards to smell marks in India, as these kind of marks have already been granted protection in the international jurisdictions, which also follow common law. So, traditional or non-traditional, you can think of a trademark as a unique signature for your brand, which solely belongs to you. So, primarily, it's a brand identity of your business. So now that you know what a trademark is, let's talk about why it is so important to have a trademark. So a trademark does more than just identifying your brand, it protects it. So whether you are a startup or a small business who needs to establish its brand identity, or a big corporate who needs to maintain exclusive rights over your branding elements, or even if you belong to the creative field, you are being an influencer, artist, or a freelancer, where you need to protect your unique signature lines or unique logos which solely refer to you and your work, it is important to have a trademark for the business of any nature, as a trademark provides exclusive rights. It builds brand recognition and trust. It helps prevent counterfeiting or misuse of your brand. And as your brand grows, a trademark can also become a valuable asset for your company. So, thank you.